Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla mirror. Replacing a damaged side mirror is a straightforward task you can accomplish yourself with common tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or a plastic trim tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Having the right tools makes this job much easier and helps protect your car's interior panels during the process. First, open the door and remove the small triangular cover by the mirror, disconnecting its wiring. Next, carefully pry off the inner door handle cover and the main control panel, then remove any hidden screws. Gently pull the door panel away from the door frame, releasing its clips, and unplug any remaining electrical connectors. Finally, locate and loosen the three 10mm bolts securing the mirror, then unplug its wiring harness before removing the mirror. Now, let's install your new mirror. Begin by carefully feeding the new mirror's wiring harness through the opening in the door. Position the mirror, aligning it with the three mounting holes, and then hand-tighten the three 10mm bolts to secure it. Connect the mirror's electrical plug, making sure it snaps firmly into place. Finally, adjust the rubber weather seal around the mirror's base to ensure a snug fit and prevent water entry. With the new mirror installed, it's time to reassemble. Carefully align the door panel clips with their slots and press firmly until it snaps back into place. Reconnect all electrical harnesses for the door handle and control panel. Replace all covers and screws, tightening them gently to avoid damage. Finally, test your new mirror's electronic adjustments, heating function, and any integrated turn signal lights to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.